Cybersecurity breaches are on the rise. Most of these breaches occur due to the lack of a comprehensive monitoring surveillance strategy and poor implementation of various security controls. One of the best ways to mitigate such risks is by having an effective Security Operations Center, or SOC. SOC helps in detecting, analyzing, preventing, and responding to cybersecurity incidents. Think of SOC like a central command center, collecting and analyzing data from across an organization's entire IT infrastructure and assets for continuous monitoring and threat detection. The cybersecurity market in India is expected to grow from $2 billion in 2019 to $4 billion by 2022. Expected to create 2 million jobs by 2025, the cybersecurity field is set to become the most lucrative sector in India, with 43 skill shortage.
SecMITS, we transform cybersecurity experts for today and tomorrow.